Okay, here's my Antminer L3 Plus, one of them. I have a few of them, and here's the power supply. What I'm gonna do is attempt to open this thing up and try to clean the whole thing out and get it ready for winter. Can't run it during the summer. I live in a hot area, and the power consumption is too high. Okay, so the first step is gonna be to remove all these different bolts on both ends. Okay, this comes right off, and then you can see where all the boards are, and you can see how filthy dirty they are. Okay, you can see that they have this little flap, so you're gonna have to push that in to avoid actually damaging the cords. Now that I got the other side taken off, and you can see that it has the cable to it, I can remove these bolts on this side to access the panels that are inside. Okay, the best thing to probably clean these things with is either a toothbrush or a regular brush, and you can use Q-tips, but you really don't want the things to get stuck in there. Now, you're looking to make sure that none of these things are loose. If they're loose, you're gonna have to re-solder them back down. So that's one of the things, but you can see on the side here how dirty it is. Let's get that all cleaned up. We wanna really take a look at to make sure that each one of these things doesn't have any kind of damage to them. So you're gonna have to do a real quick surface scan all out inside. And I might try to do some experiments to see whether I can actually put L3 boards in an S9 miner. Okay, as you can see, it's fully reassembled again, and I have all the parts where they should be.